and decided to drag the snowblower out again, check it all out and get it ready to go. I'm going to figure out if I'm going to mount this on a snowcat this year or just a pickup. Haven't decided yet. My last video on this, I mistakenly mentioned that this was a 4-cylinder. And it's a 2-cylinder Kohler. And at the time that comment was made, I hadn't drug this out yet, so I couldn't verify it one way or the other. So I brought our rough terrain forklift down, steer crazy, and plucked this out of the storage yard. Set it up here. The carburetor's going to need to be going through on this. We'd used it up there on that one guy's place. It wasn't making full RPMs. It was still throwing snow pretty good, but it just wasn't making full RPMs. So get it tuned up. I also, on that last video, which I'll include that link, we thought the turn motor here was bad. Come to find out, up there it was just the right conditions. It just froze everything up, and the turn motor's working fine. It's just a little Mickey Mouse winch with a double wrap on the cables. Well, more than a double wrap, but anyway, it works. Overall, the thing is in pretty good shape. There's a little oil showing on the gearbox down here. And as I recall, we added oil to that before we used it last time. So we'll get it all greased up, get it ready to go. Might some guys out there that are actually adding some rubber flaps to the second stage to make it throw further. I might consider doing that if I decide I need it, but I don't know that I need it. We'll find out. Here at the ranch, we don't have enough snow to worry about blowing any snow, but there's some other places that we go to that we might need that, so we'll see. If I go to the cabin with the snowcat, then I'll make sure that this mounts to the snowcat. That way I can blow snow away from the cabin. Snow sliding off the roof of the cabin can accumulate 10-12 foot high. And of course, by the time it hits the ground, it's like concrete. I think if I whittle away at it, I could probably blow the biggest majority of it away from the cabin. So, it'll be an interesting winter. It's the 1st of January. We'll see what the rest of the year holds here.